This 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, water heater, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, TV, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK is 12,055 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.